Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to archive or unarchive Instagram posts. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. First, open your Instagram application. Tap your profile. As you can see, I have 2 posts. Now, let's tap one of the posts. Then click the 3 dots and tap Archive. Now, let's go back. As you can see, my post now is reduced. Now, I will show you how to unarchive posts. Tap the 3 lines on the upper right corner. Select Archive. Click this one. Tap Post Archive. Click the post you want to archive. Click the 3 dots. Select Show on Profile. Now, let's go back. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!